If you snore and you sleep on your back, this is the only thing you need to hear today. When you sleep on your back, gravity pulls your tongue and soft palate down into your throat. That narrowing is what causes the vibration you hear as snoring. It is not a breathing problem. It is a position problem. Switching to side sleeping keeps the tongue forward and the airway open. A 2015 clinical study found positional therapy reduced snoring frequency by 56%, not 5%. 56. 56% reduction. Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine 2015. The problem is staying on your side. The fix that actually works. Sew a tennis ball into the back of your sleep shirt. When you roll onto your back in the night, the discomfort wakes you just enough to roll back. It sounds ridiculous. It has been used in clinical settings for decades. It costs nothing. Cost zero. It works from night one. Try it tonight. If your snoring is positional, and for most people it is, you will notice a difference immediately, not in 2 weeks. Tonight. Full guide to all 8 natural treatments. Link in the description. StopSnoringTreatments.com.